So you're thinking about buying luxury real estate. Well, let me tell you, it's not just for the ultra rich. It's for you too. And so whether you're a first-time home buyer or you're looking to elevate your lifestyle, I'm going to show you all of the tips and tricks step by step to secure your dream home in 2025. You're going to hear from someone that does this every day in Beverly Hills, Hollywood Hills, and of course, Studio City. So let's get started. I'm Brian Welch, your go-to luxury real estate agent here in Los Angeles. And if you are a buyer, you are in the right place, because whether it is a new construction here in Studio City or a hillside home right here in Beverly Hills, if luxury is your taste, you're in the right place. The very first step is to define what does luxury mean to you. And in some neighborhoods, $2 million is going to be your entry-level point. Whereas in some other neighborhoods, $5 million is going to be what it's going to take to just even get in the door. But it's not always just about the price. It's about what's important to you. Is it the view? Is it privacy? Is it walkability? Do you need that beautiful chef's kitchen? These are the important items that you need to find in your mind what luxury is to you, because you are the most important person when it comes to your luxury journey. Next up is the money. Now, you don't exactly have to be a billionaire to buy real estate, but you do have to be prepared if you're gonna buy luxury real estate. So there's three things that are super important to get started. The first thing is you're gonna need to align yourself with a reliable lender who has experience in working in higher caliber, larger deals. Secondly, you're gonna wanna have your proof of funds ready to go. Whether it's gonna be a proof of assets or bank statements, you're gonna need that proof of funds ready for when you're setting an offer. And the third thing is you wanna understand your total buying power. So not just what the home costs, but the additional costs such as insurance or HOA or overall maintenance. It's really important to understand that buying power. And a fun pro tip for you is a lot of higher end deals get very creative. Sometimes they include cryptocurrency in that deal. Sometimes they have seller financing in the deal. And sometimes, more traditionally in a creative way, is you're borrowing from equity lines or even assets that you have. So there's always a route to do it. Those are my three tips on understanding the money. When it comes to finding the right agent, this is no Zillow and chill. You need an agent who's got the background and proven track record to make it all happen. So the right agent for you is going to do several things. One, he or she will have access to off-market listings, exclusive listings. Two, they're going to be able to negotiate like a boss. Three, they're going to make sure to protect you, your time, and most importantly, your money. So again, this is the most important purchase you might ever make. So don't play around and choose the right agent. Touring luxury homes is not just for Instagram. You need to enter homes not as a browser, but as a buyer. And there's a few things that you should be looking out for. The first thing is look for quality finishes throughout. Make sure it's made with really good quality materials. They're gonna last a long time and they're not cheap. Secondly, you're gonna wanna look at the future appreciation of the area that you are investing. So for example, Studio City is the new Beverly Hills. I'll be the first to say it. So that's where you should invest. And the next thing is you're gonna wanna look at what's happening in the neighborhood. Next door, the neighbor's house sold for $9.5 million. This one's listed just under 6. So those are potential opportunities to invest in a great neighborhood. Lastly, look for opportunities to add value or add upgrades to make more on your investment. Now it's game time. And when it comes to writing an offer in a luxury market, it's a whole nother beast. So there's a few things you need to look out for. The first thing is you have to be ready to move fast, but you got to be diligent, and timing is everything. If there's a hot property on the market, no matter what it's priced at, it can sell in 2 to 3 days, so you have to be ready to move. Secondly is you need to make sure that your contingencies are airtight, but it's very important that whatever you commit to on paper, that you can fully execute and commit to it. So don't bite off more than you can chew. And lastly, you have to be ready for multiple offers. And in those multiple offer situations, it's no longer just you versus the homeowner, but you versus a couple other parties. So it's really important to make up in your mind before the negotiation where you'll draw that line in the sand. So you'll always know where you are, even when those situations get really stressful and tight. So those are a few of my tips and tricks, and all you have to do is put it together. That's how you get an offer accepted. So you're ready to buy luxury real estate? Let's make it happen. Take that first step. My information is down below. Go ahead and reach out. We'll find a good time to chat. See how we can make those real estate dreams come true. And remember, when it comes to luxury real estate, you don't have to buy it, you get to. I'm so excited to meet you, and make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification button to stay tuned to more information like this. And I'm Brian Welch with Welch Estates, and I will see you soon.